in this video, I'll tell you about the power of preparation, okay, and why documentation is very, very powerful. So I have sent a mail and messages, and people are now responding on LinkedIn, and how this is going to be impactful. So I'm still in the same day. So yesterday I have designed this entire channel, and a lot of people have subscribed, and it is going on. So right now, you can see what I have done is I have created a post and I put it on my LinkedIn. Okay. And a lot of people are writing on this. This write-up I had to write separately. So this is written in doc. Okay. And I wanted people in WhatsApp also to go and connect with them. And that is why I have a separate write-up which has been designed. So can you see WhatsApp personal message? I've written, I thought to do something crazy as always. Want to be a part of this madness mastery? Watch the link in LinkedIn. Okay, the spelling is wrong here. I'm sure you would love this as a return gift on my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday, and this is the link. So this has gone to a lot of people who want WhatsApp. Okay, and following up steps, follow the steps and claim your gift. Love you, Dada. That's all. I have not said anything else, but I've sent them a GIF along with that. Now in the LinkedIn, okay, when they came to LinkedIn and they liked it, I don't have time to do all these things by myself. Okay, now let's go to the most recent one. Okay, this person has written November 1 because November 1 is something that I asked them to type in. And first of all, I need to love this. Okay, and to give a reply. The reply is also written here. So I don't want to work. I'm a lazy guy. And I have my reply here. Okay, I said, thank you, Yuala, for all the love and support. Please check your DMM for the link. Okay, but look, he has not sent. He's a second guy. Thank you for the love, please. Okay, now this gentleman is not connected, so I want him to connect. Oops, I see we are not connected yet. Waiting to send you the link. Okay, now what I did is I wrote one time and I copied it, boom, and the reply went. So now he has to come here, and when he comes and joins here, so what I'm doing is I'm just keeping it here. Okay, so now look, this is how I'm keeping these things here, comment and response. Okay, this is the comment and response. So I have got 3 versions here. So this is for people who have, okay, who are not yet in my LinkedIn contact. So that's a suggestion. Now, what I can do is to make this system much more forward, I can hire a VA. Okay, let's say at every day, if this person can do around half an hour of this thing, or whenever the messages are coming, okay, this person can take care of this. And I give them the format. Is it easy? You don't have to put your brain. Copy, paste, boom. So, and those people who are joining in, so when they click that thing, they write about this. This is what goes in the back. Okay, hey Chris. Okay, here is a link. This is the link. Okay, I have given just give me a thumbs up for your support in the video. Don't forget to comment November. Okay, and I will share you the free gift. Complete the steps to create more than, this is the gift. This is a gift. Okay. Complete steps to create more than 100 types of lead magnets. Also, let me know what topics do you want me to cover and want to be a part of my journey. DM me separately or ask for a calendar link separately. Thanks in advance. Boom. So this is a ready-made copy. The moment I get this, okay, I can just send it to him. The same thing I have sent. This person is in the 3rd, so he is also not yet joined. So I have written the same thing, and you will see these are the most recent people, and I've used the same thing. So for Rishma, this is another person who is also one of my mentors. And by the way, there's something crazy about this lady. When she joined, she used to charge 200 rupees for her consultation. She is an actual doctor, MBBS doctor. She practices in Kerala. And something crazy happened. And I don't know if I can just show you. Okay, I'd love to show you, man. This is live. I think this, without edit, needs a lot of guts. Okay. Look, I'll show you about something about this person. Yeah. Okay. I have kept some messages for her. Okay. So she says, okay, Dada, I want to share my experience today. I got my first patient client for my online consulting today. Payment also done. 10,000 rupees, from 200 rupees to 10,000 rupees. And she's asking permission. Can I share it in the group? So we have a WhatsApp group. Everything has a story by itself. How did this happen? Because she learned those three skills and she's an entrepreneur by herself. She's a person, she's handling multiple companies, and also came to me for a consulting of how to take over a 5 crore hospital in a very remote place in Nellore. And that's all done. It's already done. So it has been dusted. So these are the people who are live with me. If you want to know more about my LinkedIn and you want to see what people are talking about, look at my recommendations, what people have taken. Okay, by the way, none of them are being bribed here. Everyone is there in the solid form. And yeah, that's how it is going to be. It is good if we have right people, but are we adding value? So if I need to add value to your life, tell me, where are you stuck? Okay, what is the biggest challenge right now? And what all things you have already tried, which is not working? Is it your problem? Then also come to me. Whether it is a resource problem, then also you can come to me. Whether it is a guidance problem, then definitely you should come to me. Okay. Dada, I cannot pay you. Then serve me. That's it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.